My name is Jorgensen, the farm operation manager for the Belvedere farm. Our main project here is rearing dairy animals and growing calves. We actually use feed from the iPro plant, and we embark on a project for the calves to feed 3 main ingredients of feed: the calf starter, the calf grower, and the calf developer. We use the calf starter at about 1 week old on the calf, and we feed them up to about 12 weeks with the calf starter. After that, we turn to the calf grower, which from then we feed them onward to the calf developer. At present, we are observing the iPro feed as a calf starter for them, and we're looking at them, and the result we are getting, it's by looks, visually say we see improvements in the iPro feeding. So it's lead us as a continuous part. This is a batch of heifers, about 4 months old, that we actually giving grower at the moment. All this spell is iPro grower feed. The animals are excellent, the condition are good, and it all contribute to the iPro feed. Basically, their main feeding is iPro feed with grass, and their condition can speak for itself. This is the iPro blend of feed. These cows is what we call the cows that we're trying to target for 510 pounds. So we create a ration which we use the iPro developer to complete the ration that we make, which we expect to gain the weight that we're looking forward. So at present, these cows are going up to 500 weight them, and we expect to get the gain through this feeding the developer from iPro. And from these cows will get pregnant and then have their first calf at 26 months. As a farmer, we base our feeding on iPro feed all the way on this farm, because we think of result. The main thing is not that just get the feeding. Anybody can go to iPro and buy feeding. But the component to it is service. When you talk about service, you always see somebody during the week come asking if there's any problem. And vice versa, if you have a problem, just bring it forth to the iPro people. Somebody will be there to address it. If you want advice, even veterinary advice, somebody there to give you some form of advice which way to go. If you have problem with cows, nutrition-wise and otherwise, you can always ask for it. And at present, iPro even looking at our grass situation, where they can help us in develop grass management, grass practice, even experiment by doing plots. During the plots, we are trying to see how fast we can get regrowth on grass by using different methods. Will help our cows to grow much faster and more healthier. So iPro is the one who we choose, and choosing iPro, that means that's the way we expect to grow as a company.